Morning students, again Priyanka from St. John English High School. Okay, um, we were studying in mathematics 2 chapter number 1 similarity. Okay, in that we have studied four concepts. That is, first one was areas of triangle or ratios of areas of triangle, then the BPT theorem, that is the basic proportionality theorem, then the theorem of angle bisector of triangle, yeah, then properties of parallel lines, that is intercepts made on three parallel lines and their transversals, and last one was test of similarities. Fine. Now the next is theorem of ratios of similar triangle. Fine. Now, what is a statement? The statement is when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Fine. Now, all of you can see here these two triangles is given to you, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Fine. Now, so what are their corresponding sides? AB corresponds to PQ, BC corresponds to QR, and AC corresponds to PR. Fine. Now what we have to prove? The area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR means the ratio of their areas is equals to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. AB square upon PQ square equals to BC square upon QR square equals to AC square upon PR square. What was given to you? That is, these two triangles are similar and we have drawn AD perpendicular to BC and PS perpendicular to QR. Fine. Now let's start to prove that. Now everybody concentrate here. It is given to you that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Fine. Now if they are similar, their sides must be in proportion. So correspondence have taken as ABC corresponds to PQR. So AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR, number 1. Fine. Now let's take triangle, or it is also given to you that angle B is equal to angle Q. Everybody can see here, angle B equals to angle Q and angle C equals to angle R. This also given to you. Now let's take two other triangle, that is triangle ADB and triangle PSQ. ADB and PSQ. Fine. Now in that two triangle, see ADB and PSQ, in that angle B is equals to angle Q. It is already given to you. So I will write angle B equals to angle Q. It is given to you. Fine. Now angle D, that is ADB, will be equals to PSQ. Okay, for this I'll write angle ABD is equal to angle P is equal to angle PSQ, and now I'll write angle ADB equals to angle PSQ. So can I say that triangle ADB is similar to triangle PSQ by angle test of similarity? Yes, angle test of similarity. Now if these two triangles are similar, then their sides must be in proportion. So I will write AD upon PS equals to DB upon SQ equals to AB upon PQ. See, correspondency was ADB corresponds to PSQ. So AD upon PS, DB upon SQ and AB upon PQ. Fine. I'll give number 2. Okay. Now Let's take areas of these two triangles. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Fine. So what will be? Half into base into height. Half into what is the base? BC into height is AD upon half into what is the base? QR into height is PS. Half will get cancelled. It is BC into AD upon QR into PS. Fine. Now, can I write it as BC upon QR into AD upon PS? It is one and the same. Now, just concentrate on 1 and 2. BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Fine. Now, in the place of AD upon PS, AD upon PS, everybody can see here, AD upon PS is equals to DB upon SQ equals to AB upon PQ. So, in the place of AD upon PS, can I write AB upon PQ? Yeah. Why? Because they are equal. So, I'll write BC upon QR into, in the place of AD upon PS, what I am going to write? AB upon PQ. Or you can write here from 2. Fine. Okay. Now, AB upon PQ, in the place of AB upon PQ, right now, see here AB upon PQ. Can I write BC upon QR? Yeah, because they are equal. Yeah, they are equal. So what I am going to do, I am going to write BC upon QR into AB upon PQ के जगह पे हम लोग लिखने वाले हैं BC upon QR from 1. Fine. So what you have got? BC into BC is BC square upon QR into QR is QR square. That what we have to prove. Yeah. BC square upon QR square. और if AB upon PQ नहीं तो हम BC upon QR के जगह पे भी AB upon PQ लिख सकते हैं, ताकि AB upon PQ into AB upon PQ आ जाएगा और अल्टीमेटली आपको आंसर मिलेगा AB square upon PQ square. Understood? That what we have to proved, and we have proved it. Understood? This is a very important theorem, students. I think so you all have understood this one. I'll give you questions on this. Solve that questions and send me the answers. Thank you and have a nice day.